Okay, dear subscribers, so brand new water pump, brand new tensioner, brand new timing belt, brand new seals, crankshaft, oil pump, the whatever you call it, camshaft seal. So I cleaned everything. I drained the coolant, so I'm gonna replace thermostat, and that's gonna be ready. That's gonna be it for this truck. I mean, besides the tires, I'm gonna take tires off, put brand new tires, and all of them, all 5 of them, spare also gonna be brand new. And then it's gonna be just a, oh, still gotta do the oil. So no, that's gonna be short video, and here's the proof. It's all replaced, all brand new. Here's the old ones. Old tensioner, not too bad. Little play, no noises, nothing. Water pump, I mean, got little play also, but still not bad. The seals wasn't very hard, but a little bit harder, yeah. And old timing belt was I think it's a perfect timing belt. To make a video properly, hard to see like that. What about that? Yeah, I really don't see cracks. It's probably good, but it's brand new now. So I always keep old parts if somebody needs free stuff, because tensioner still good, water pump probably still good, timing belt still good, seals is not good. Okay, have a blessed day. And I already drained the oil. I'm going to replace that filter. And number 46 is going to be ready in a couple days. Unless, oh no, I'm going to replace the strut mount tops. I'm going to replace them. I do have them in stock. Thanks God, I got them. Brand spanking new. Right there. Strut tops. I'll show you which part is going bad usually. So it's a rubber here, and this rubber wears out, and this top part starts wiggling, and when you hit the bump it makes like tonk tonk noise. It's not bad, but probably affects some of the alignment, maybe a little bit. Yeah, okay. If anybody wants to buy it and he wants a lift kit, I do have, I believe, yeah, I do have Mitsubishi lift kit. I got one left Mitsubishi lift kit, rear and front, and let's see if it's possible to drop the transfer case here. It's hard, but it's possible. I mean, usually we don't drop it, but I like to drop it a little, at least 1 inch, because everywhere else is going to be 2 inch. And if you drop a little, at least 1 inch, 1.5 inches, then your dry shaft will stay straighter, a lot straighter. But we'll see. Have a good day. This is it. And the last video for number 46 will be when it will be completely done.